This Lenovo Thinkpad Yoga laptop is a powerful and versatile machine that is perfect for casual computing. It features an Intel Core i5 4th Gen processor with a speed of 1.9 GHz and 8 GB of RAM, making it a great choice for multitasking and running multiple programs at once. The laptop also has a 500GB SSD capacity for fast and efficient storage, as well as an integrated Intel HD graphics card for quality visuals. In addition to its impressive specs, this laptop has a 14-inch screen with a maximum resolution of 1920 by 1080, making it great for watching movies or working on creative projects. It also comes with Wi-Fi connectivity and DisplayPort connectivity for easy data transfer. This Lenovo Thinkpad Yoga laptop is a reliable and efficient choice for anyone looking for a powerful machine. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for your support.